What if I told you that makeup can actually help manage bipolar disorder, not cure it, not replace therapy, but genuinely support emotional stability? Today I'm sharing 5 ways makeup can positively affect bipolar disorder. And the 5th one is something nobody really talks about. But first, let me tell you something about bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder is a mental health condition that causes unusual shifts in mood, energy, activity levels, and the ability to function. People with bipolar disorder experience intense emotional states that occur in distinct periods called mood episodes. Manic episodes are periods of extremely elevated, excited, or irritated mood, often with increased energy, reduced need for sleep, impulsive behavior, or racing thoughts. Depressive episodes can have periods of deep sadness, low energy, loss of interest in activities, changes in sleep or appetite, and difficulty concentrating. These mood changes are more severe than normal ups and downs and can affect relationships, work, and daily life. So, when someone lives with bipolar disorder, their world can shift without warning. One day, everything feels heavy and colorless, and another day, everything moves too fast. And in the middle of those emotional extremes, even the smallest routines can become anchors. Today, we're talking about something unexpected: how makeup can change gently and support gently someone with bipolar disorder. Not as a cure, not as a replacement for therapy, but as a quiet, powerful tool. Today I give you 5 reasons why makeup can help with bipolar disorder, and the last one is surprising. So, number 1, routines create emotional groundings. Bipolar disorder often disrupts structures. Sleep patterns shift, energy levels fluctuate, and motivation disappears or explodes. And a simple makeup routine can create something steady. The same mirror, the same brushes, the same steps. That repetition can signal safety to the brain. So when emotions feel unpredictable, rituals become grounding. Number 2, it encourages presence in the moment. During depressive episodes, thoughts can spiral inwards. During manic episodes, thoughts can race outwards. Applying makeup requires focus. Blending, shaping, choosing colors gently brings attention back to the present moment. For a few minutes, the mind slows down, or it softens. That pause matters. Number 3, it restores a sense of agency. One of the most painful parts of bipolar disorder is feeling like you don't fully control your own emotional state. Makeup offers choice. Choice of expression, choice of intensity, choice of how to face the world that day. And when someone feels emotionally powerless, even small choices can feel empowering. Number 4, it can improve self-connection. Depression can distort self-image. Mania can disconnect someone from how they truly feel. And looking in the mirror and intentionally shaping how you present yourself can help rebuild connection. It's not about hiding flaws. It's about saying, I still see myself. And sometimes that tiny moment of recognition is enough today to take the next step. Whether it's going outside, whether it's going to work, or simply getting through the day. And number 5, the one nobody talks about, is makeup as an emotional armor. This is the part people don't usually say out loud. Sometimes makeup isn't just about expression, it's protection. When someone isn't ready to explain their emotional state, when they don't want their exhaustion, sadness, or instability questioned, makeup can create a boundary between their internal world and the outside world. It can say, I'm okay, I'm enough. Is masking a long-term solution? Probably not. But sometimes protection is necessary. And sometimes surviving the day is enough. So, disclaimer, makeup will never replace medical therapy or professional care, but it can be a tool, a ritual, a moment of control in emotional chaos. And if this topic speaks to you, go to my playlist, Makeup for Mental Health, and see you in the next one. Bye!